I liked that movie, but the beginning was kind of slow.
Sonic, you just don't understand how movies and TV shows work. They always have a little filler material before someone bursts in to get the real story started.
Guys, check out my new invention, a super antenna. It's so strong that when you hook it up to a TV, it picks up broadcasts from the past.
This hour of radio is sure to get your toes a-tapping. Brought to you by lead-based paint and asbestos, the perfect combination for your baby's nursery.